In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So first we're going to open our Coinbase app, and then from here we're going to click on Transfer from the Home tab. And once you are in here, go ahead and click on Receive Crypto. And in this list, we need to select Solana, so I can see it under Recent. But if you don't see it, go ahead and type it in, and then just select Solana. Now you will have your wallet address in here, so just go ahead and click on Copy to Clipboard. And now let's open our Phantom Wallet. In Phantom Wallet, you can just go ahead and click on Solana or click on Send. I'm just going to click on Send, select Solana in here, and now click on Allow Paste to paste in the wallet address. So paste it from Clipboard. Now go ahead and click on Next down below. And now we need to enter the amount of Solana we want to transfer. I'm just going with everything I have, so I'm going to click on Max, and then I'm going to click on Next at the top right. From here, you will see the details of your transaction. So go ahead and check everything and check the fee, and then click on Send if everything is all right. And as you can see, the transaction has been successfully sent. So now we can just go ahead and click on Close and open Coinbase to see if it's already there. And as you can see, the Solana is already in my Coinbase account. It happened almost instantly. So that is how you transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I'll see you in the next one.